Wondering which islands dominate the map by sheer size? Today, we lines explore the top 10 largest islands on Earth. From Arctic ice kingdoms to tropical giants, you'll see their vast landscapes. Learn which countries they belong to, and discover surprises you never knew. Want to guess which one is bigger than some entire countries? Stay till the end. 10. Ellesmere Island. 10th. Ellesmere Island, in Canada's Arctic, at about 183,965 square kilometers. This is one of the most northerly islands with extreme cold, ice sheets, and dramatic polar landscapes. 9. Great Britain. 9th. Great Britain, about 209,331 square kilometers, home to England, Scotland, and Wales, blending history, modern cities, and pastoral landscapes. 8th. Victoria Island. 8th. Victoria Island, in Canada's Arctic, spanning about 217,291 square kilometers. Remote, cold, and pristine, just nature in its rawest form. 7. Honshu. 7th. Honshu, Japan's main island, covering about 225,800 square kilometers. This is where Tokyo, Mt. Fuji, Kyoto, and most of Japan's population live. A mix of natural beauty and dense human civilization. 6. Sumatra. 6th is Sumatra, roughly 443,066 square kilometers, located in Indonesia. Sumatra is famed for its tropical rainforests, volcanoes, and critically endangered species like the Sumatran tiger and orangutan. 5. Baffin Island. 5th. Baffin Island, part of Canada's Arctic archipelago, at about 507,451 square kilometers. Expect barren tundra, fjords, glaciers, and sparse human habitation in extreme conditions. 4. Madagascar. Next is Madagascar, covering around 587,713 square kilometers. Located off Africa's east coast, Madagascar has evolved in isolation for millions of years, resulting in incredibly unique flora and fauna. More than 90% of its species are found nowhere else. 3. Borneo. 3rd on our list. Borneo, about 748,168 square kilometers. This island is shared by 3 countries, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei. It's a hotspot of biodiversity with ancient rainforests, endangered species like the Bornean orangutan, and threatened by deforestation. 2. New Guinea. At number 2. New Guinea, approximately 785,753 square kilometers in size. This island is split between Indonesia western half and Papua New Guinea eastern half. It's renowned for its staggering biodiversity, with species you won't find anywhere else on Earth. 1. Greenland. Our number 1 is Greenland, the world's largest island, covering about 2,166,086 square kilometers, or approximately 836,330 square miles. Though mostly covered by ice, Greenland features dramatic fjords, towering glaciers, and rugged coastlines. Politically, it's part of the Kingdom of Denmark, but has wide autonomy. Those are the top 10 largest islands in the world by area. If you want a bonus, Australia is often excluded because it's considered a continent, not an island. Which island surprised you the most in size? Drop a comment below. If you loved this journey across 10 islands, smash that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another geography deep dive. Thanks for watching. See you next time.